How do I start my debt-free journey in 2023? It is one thing to know that you need to pay off your debts fast. It is another thing to know how to begin. The popular Nike slogan can apply to start your debt-free journey too. Just do it. The times are changing and money isn't so easy to make, but if you are determined and dedicated, you can achieve financial freedom and security. If you are not too sure where to begin, this video is for you. Starting your debt-free journey can be a great way to improve your financial situation in 2023. And here are some steps you can take to get started. Make a list of all your debts. Start by listing out all your debts, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. The first step might be the hardest part because it can be discouraging to see how much you owe on paper, especially if you're on a low income or just aren't sure how you'll pay everything back. Don't let this weigh you down so much. This will only help you see the full picture of your debt situation and enable you to plan an effective payoff. Create a budget. Next, create a budget that tracks your income and expenses. This will help you identify how much money comes in on a weekly or monthly basis. You can also identify areas where you can cut back on spending and free up money to put toward your debt. Be sure to include all your sources of income and categorize your expenses, such as rent, transportation, food, and the like. You can use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to make tracking easier. If you're still not sure how to create your personal budget, I have made a video on how to create a budget in 7 easy steps. It's really simple, and it doesn't require much at all. Set financial goals. What do you want to achieve financially? How much do you want to pay off in 3 months? Determine your financial goals and prioritize them. For example, you may want to pay off your debt with the highest interest rate first, or focus on paying off a specific debt entirely. Whatever your financial goals are, make sure they are realistic and achievable within your set time frame. This is why creating your budget is so important. It will help you commit better to your financial goals. Make a debt repayment plan. Once you have a clear understanding of your debts and financial goals, create a plan for how you'd like to pay off your debts. This may involve making larger payments on high-interest debts, consolidating debts into a lower-interest loan, or using the snowball or avalanche method to pay off debts. It is important to regularly review and adjust your debt repayment plan as your financial situation changes. Your payment plan can change as you change jobs, move to a new house, or have a health emergency. Remember to also prioritize building an emergency fund to avoid accumulating more debt in case of unexpected expenses. Increase your income. Having multiple streams of income will boost your debt payoff plan. This is because you will have more money to allocate towards your debt and can also use the additional income to create an emergency fund or invest for your future financial goals. Not only will it help you pay off your debt faster, but it will also provide a sense of security in case one source of income is lost or reduced. This way you have something to fall back on without having to worry. Track your progress. Keeping track of your debt repayment progress and celebrating your milestones along the way will encourage you as you make progress toward becoming debt-free. It will keep you motivated and focused on your goals. You can also consider setting up a reward system for yourself when you reach certain milestones, such as treating yourself to a nice dinner or buying something you've been wanting for a while. The journey will seem less daunting this way. Stay committed. One of the reasons why people don't pay off their debt on time is the lack of discipline and commitment to finish what they started. Staying debt-free requires commitment and discipline. Stay focused on your goals and stick to your budget. Try to avoid taking on new debt, as this only adds to your financial burden and makes it harder to become debt-free. You can decide to stay accountable to a trusted friend or family member. Additionally, seeking professional help or guidance from a financial advisor can also be beneficial in creating a solid plan to pay off debt and stay on track toward financial freedom. There you have it, 7 steps to start your debt-free journey in 2023 and improve your financial situation. Remember, becoming debt-free isn't a one-day, month, or even a year journey. It takes time and effort, but the rewards of financial freedom are worth it. Make sure to stay committed to your plan and track your progress regularly. Don't forget to celebrate the small victories along the way to keep yourself motivated and on track toward achieving your financial goals. I am rooting for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support will go a very long way. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.